Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. I am sharing a Winnie the Pooh stamped project. These stamps are by Unity Stamp Company, and I'm making a layered tag card along with showing some Copic coloring. And this is a really sweet Christmas scene. It's all one stamp in the back. I stamped this sentiment just to give it another little tag to add to it. So I have a background tag as well. So all of these are going to be layered to go ahead and make this card. So from Unity I have Merriest Time, Make a Tag, Die Set, and Rustic Wood 6x6 paper pack. And so I stamped the Winnie the Pooh Christmas scene onto white cardstock. And I go ahead and die cut that out and get it ready to go. And so then I add color. I'm using Copic markers. I'm listing them here and on my blog. And you will find that I will just go in and add lots of different layers of the same color family. I start light. Well, in this case, I started light with like a light peach color, and then I go in with I think 2 or 3 different shades of orange family and just add layers from light to dark where I think there might be shadows or creases, and I know you've heard me talk about that a lot. But if you want more of a richer shade, go ahead and use some dark colors, just very sparingly along those areas that you think might be darker, and then go in and reverse your process and go from dark to light and blend that out again. And so if you do it this way, you'll see a lot more richness in your Copic coloring. Sometimes, and more times than not, I do like to go with lighter shades, but I'm doing more richer shades for this card, and some other ones I did in the past. Everyone's like, how did you color Winnie the Pooh? So here we go. This is how I did it. So I went ahead and go ahead and add color in reds and greens and browns all around the scene. Speeding it up a little bit. I really wanted to slow down the Winnie part and then speed up the rest of it. So now I'm just doing a few layers of the red in the hat and the gifts and presents. And then I wanted to add some ornaments, and I wanted those ornaments to match Winnie, so I made them sort of a golden orangey yellow color. And then added some the same color family down in there where there's honey and different kinds of things on the bottom there for gifts. And so then I wanted to go ahead and make some sort of grounding, and I used darker colors. I used browns, and I wanted it to match this background, this biggest tag background, which is a rustic pattern paper. So I'm doing the bottom there and some browns and gold and blending that out into about 3 different colors of browns and beiges, and then adding a touch of green to those sprigs there for the Christmas tree. And then that's it for the coloring. I went ahead and hole punched using a crocodile there, the top area of the top panel, and added some twine there. I'm going to tie a bow with some twine and cording, and that's going to also hold this trimmed sentiment. And so it's sort of like a tag card with a tag shaped sentiment, and so that is movable on one end, so you can move it around. Fits in the envelope nicely. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you take a moment to subscribe and have a wonderful day.